Children, Chapter 8 Quadrilateral. Let us revise what we have learned till now. Properties of the parallelogram. What we learned first, a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Then we learned as a theorem, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are also equal. The diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Now these are the properties we have proved as a theorem. So what are that one? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And the next one is opposite angles are equal. Then diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. In addition to that, we have to learn one more property of a parallelogram. So the adjacent angles are supplementary also. So opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other, and adjacent angles are supplementary. All these properties we have to apply while solving the problem. So that is why we are doing the revision, just a recap of what the concept we have learned. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are also equal in a parallelogram. Diagonal bisect each other in a parallelogram, and adjacent angle supplementary. So when a parallelogram is given in the question, you can apply all these properties. After parallelogram, we have proved its converse theorem also. So based on that, what we have learned, conditions for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. When a quadrilateral can be a parallelogram, that is the question. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if each pair of opposite side is equal. Each pair of opposite sides is equal. Each pair of opposite angles are equal. The diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other, and a pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. So what we have condition is given in a quadrilateral if opposite sides are equal. In a quadrilateral means four sides will be there. In that two pair of opposite sides is equal. Next, two pair of opposite angles are equal. Next, what about diagonals? When a diagonal bisect in each other in a quadrilateral, then it is a parallelogram. Now, if it is a pair, means only one pair is given, then the two condition must satisfy. What is that condition? Equal and parallel. All these all these points we have proved as a theorem only. Just a recap I am doing for the problems, because before starting the exercise, you must know the concept what we have learned. What is the concept? When a quadrilateral can be a parallelogram. What are the conditions? Two pair of opposite sides are equal. Two pair of opposite angles are equal. The diagonals bisect each other, and a pair means it should be equal, at the same time it is parallel. Now based on this, we can start exercise 8.1. Now exercise 8.1. First question. The angles of the quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of a quadrilateral. So what is given? A quadrilateral is given. Let us name that ABCD. To find all the angles, so we will write here angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. So proof. Let angle A equal to 3x, angle B is equal to 5x, angle C is equal to 9x, and angle D is equal to 13x. Now what is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral? Angle sum property of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can write the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360. Substitute the values. 3x, 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360 degree. 13 plus 9, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 3, 30x equal to 360. Implies x equal to 360 by 30 equal to 12. So what is angle A now? Angle A equal to 3x. So 3x means 3 into 12 it is equal to 36 degree. Angle B is equal to 5x. 5 into 12 equal to 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 9x equal to 9 into 12 equal to 108 degree. The last one, angle D equal to 13x. 13 into 12 equal to 156. So these are the values they have asked in the question. We have used which concept here? The sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree, or what we can say, angle sum property of the quadrilateral. So we can write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus D equal to 360 degree. Since it is given in the ratio form, we have taken as x as a common factor. 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360 degree. Then we can calculate x value. Once we got the x value, we can find out each angle. So angle A is equal to 3 into 12, it is equal to 36 degree, and B equal to 5 into 12, 60 degree. C equal to, angle C is equal to 9 into 12, 108 degree, and then angle D is equal to 13 into 12, it is equal to 156 degree. Second question, if the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So what is given? A parallelogram is given. A parallelogram is given. What should be proved? It is a rectangle. So let us take that. Given ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. Now the question is that when it is a parallelogram, what are the properties you can write? Opposite side is equal and parallel. So let us mark AB is equal and parallel to DC. And the second one is BC is equal and parallel to AD. Now additional condition what is given? Diagonals of the parallelogram are also equal. Which is the diagonal here? AC and BD. So here I can write ABCD is a parallelogram, and also AC equal to BD is also given in the question. ABCD is a parallelogram, that means we know that 4 conditions we already written. Which are the condition? Opposite side is equal and parallel, angles are equal, and then adjacent angles are supplementary. Which is the adjacent angle? Angle A and angle B sum is equal to 180 degree, we can write. B plus C is also 180 degree, we can write. C and D, like that we can write adjacent angle sum is equal to 180 degree, and also opposite angles are also equal. Now what we should prove? ABCD is a rectangle. So by the definition of the rectangle, we learned that a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees. So already it is a parallelogram, right? So now we have to prove that in one angle is 90 degree, then we know that it is a rectangle. Right? So for proving that one, we have to consider, because the diagonal is the additional information they get given, so we have to consider the diagonal as one of the side for the congruency. I hope you understood this point, because it's a parallelogram is given and we have to prove it is a rectangle. By the definition of the rectangle, it says that in a parallelogram, if one angle is 90 degrees, so that angle we should get, any one of the angle we should get as 90 degree. And the additional information for this parallelogram is that, additional criteria what they are given, diagonals are also equal. So we are keeping diagonal as one of the sides. So triangle AC, the diagonal I have chosen. So ACB is a triangle ACB, and BD is the next diagonal. So triangle BDE. These are the two triangles we are considering for proof. In triangle ACB, triangle ACB, if you check, the AC and BD are the first equal side. We have marked AC equal to BD. The diagonals are equal given in the question, right? ACB, ACB. Second side BC is equal to which one? AD. So BC equal to AD. That is also given. Now what is the third side is given coming here? AC over BC over then AB. AB we can take as a common. Check in that the second triangle BD also it is coming. BD we have used as the first equal side, AD as the second equal side, then the AB as the third side. So it is also coming there, it is a common. So by SSS criteria, three sides we got. So triangle ABC is congruent to, see that one, triangle ABC. A is common in the first and the last one, and here which is common criteria, common letter B only. If you consider the first and third, B is the common. So for A is having correspondence with B, then definitely B is having correspondence with A only. So one letter is remaining, that is D. So BAD we have written. How to identify? AC and AB is there. Which letter is common here? A. Correspondingly the first and the third, which letter is common? B. So if A is having correspondence with B, then C is having correspondence with a D only. So in place of C we can write a D. Now how many sides we got? 3 sides. So SSS criteria, these two triangles are congruent, right? Now what I can write for angle ABC from this? Angle ABC, I can write that angle BAD by CPCT. Right, so these two angles are equal. Angle ABC here and angle BAD, that means these two angles are equal. Okay, that is equation number 1. Now we have to prove that any one of the angle is 90 degree. So since it is a parallelogram, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Right, angle A and B are equal only. ABC means the complete angle B is coming, right? BAD means the complete angle BAD is A is coming there. So angle A equal to angle B. So I can write that angle A plus angle A equal to 180 degree. So 2 into angle A equal to 180 equal to angle A equal to 90. If angle A is 90, then we can say that angle B is also 90 only. Now since it is a parallelogram, we had given that A and C are also opposite angle. Opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So angle A equal to angle C equal to 90, angle B equal to angle D is also equal to 90. So this much is required for us, because since it is a parallelogram, we need to get angle A equal to 90. One of the angle, it is not necessary that A only, angle A equal to 90. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Right, so these by using this one we can say that just 1 and 2 if you consider, sorry, it's a 2 I have marked already. It is a given parallelogram only. Now in parallelogram, one angle equal to 90 degree we got by equation 2. So what we can say about ABCD? ABCD is a rectangle. So we can conclude that ABCD is a rectangle. Hence proved. So I repeat the question. If the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So what is given in the question? ABCD is a parallelogram with diagonals are equal. That means AC equal to BD. We already marked in the question. Now what we have to prove? ABCD is a rectangle. Here only I want to explain that when we have to prove a rectangle means, what is the definition of the rectangle says? If it is a parallelogram is given, we need to prove that one angle is 90 degree, right? If it is a parallelogram, we need to prove that one angle is 90 degree. Now we have to go for this one, because AC and BD diagonals are equal is the additional criteria is given. So we are choosing the triangle in such a way that AC and BD as one of the sides. So we have taken triangle ACB and triangle BDA. If you go for the diagram, you can see that AC equal to BD, diagonals are equal is given, BC equal to AD, opposite sides of the parallelogram, and AB equal to AB common. So if you check this one, 3 sides we got. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD by SSS criteria, triple S criteria. Therefore, angle ABC equal to angle BAD by CPCT. Now, if you check this figure, that ABC means angle ABC, this complete angle we are getting, right? Similarly, BAD means BAD, this complete angle is coming as a CPCT. Since it is a parallelogram, A and B only if you are considering, sum of A and B is 180 degree by adjacent angle, right? So adjacent angles are 180 degrees, so A plus B equal to 180. Now by this CPCT, both are equal. So either 2A equal to 180 you can write, or 2B equal to 180. We have taken 2A, 2 into angle A equal to 180 degree, therefore angle A equal to 90. So angle B equal to 90 degree. Now what we got? ABCD is a rectangle, hence proved. So I can write here ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A equal to 90 degree. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle, hence proved. With this, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.